Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make refreshing pineapple ginger juice. This is a cleansing juice that will cool your taste, and this juice will aid digestion. Continue watching to find out how I make this wonderful juice. To make this drink, you will need ginger. I have already peeled the ginger and I will grate the ginger. This is optional. Ginger will help to spice up this drink. When I'm done grating the ginger, I will set aside. I'll be using lemon for this drink. Feel free to use lime. I will cut the lemon into two and squeeze out some lemon juice. Make sure that you remove the lemon seed. Into the blender, I'll be adding some of the sliced pineapple. Add the grated ginger and the lemon juice. Add a tablespoon of honey. This will help to sweeten this drink. This is optional. I'll be adding some ice cubes and water. Cover the blender. Blend until smooth. Pineapple ginger juice is ready. It is so refreshing and full of nutrients. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.